Hey, how's it going, everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2019 Ford E-350. This vehicle's stock number is 07515, and as you guys can tell, it is our 16-foot box truck. This box truck does come with a ramp as well. The GVWR to this vehicle is 12,500 pounds, and this is a dually rear-wheel drive truck. As we're walking around, I will go ahead and show you guys our tires. Our tires are in amazing quality. We like to ensure that all of our vehicles leave the lot in the best conditions possible. This vehicle does have a clearance of 11 feet, as you guys can tell. And of course, the box is all reconditioned for you guys. We obviously have our dually tires, and along with our tires, we like to paint all the chassis underneath the truck. This is to prevent any kinds of rust from forming underneath our vehicles, and we use a special paint for that. Now, this is a flex fuel vehicle, and then this is where we would actually pump the gas at. So this is our gas tank, and I'll go ahead and show you guys our rear side. And now with the head-on view of the actual box itself, this is what it looks like. As you can tell, we do have a grab handle over here on the right side. And then of course we do have our ramp with our tow hitch right below that. I will go ahead and pull open our box and pull out our ramp and show you guys what it looks like inside with some measurements. And of course, now that we have our box open with our ramp out, this ramp is going to come in handy whenever you're trying to load anything in your actual box itself. You're able to climb up here, roll stuff up here. It's very nice. In the box itself, we do have our tie down boards and then our kick boards all around the actual bottom part. Here we do have a length of 16.3, a width from side to side of 7.7, with our height being 6'10". Now scooting a little bit more back this way, we do have our opening width at 7'4" and our opening height at 6'1". And I'll go ahead and close this up, put this away, and show you guys the rest of our walk around. With everything put away, I will go ahead and just give you guys the rest of the close-up on our tires. And then I'll also go ahead and open up our passenger door and give you guys a good view inside of our truck. Here at DAS, we like to make sure that all of our vehicles are fully detailed, ready for you guys to take home. And I'll go ahead and hop at our steering wheel. And I'll go ahead and hop in at our steering wheel and show you guys our close-up up there. Coming inside of the cab at our steering wheel right behind it, we do have 171,751 miles. This is going to be our full view of the steering wheel itself. And along with that, over to the left side, we do have our powered locks and windows with our access to our headlights. And then we also have our cab and our dome light switch right over here. Over to the right side, we do have a radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, CD player, aux, and it also supports Cyrus. Right underneath that is going to be our AC and our heater. These work amazing. They run really nice and very well, and they're very powerful for whenever it's really cold or whenever it's really hot outside. Of course, we have our additional plugins for our devices with some extra storage and cup holders right here. Now, just to give you guys a quick overview, this is going to be the view of our cabin. This seat does fold up and down as needed. And of course, we do have all of this vehicle completely detailed for you guys, ready to take home. And now I'll go ahead and also give you guys a close-up of our engine. Dash Trucks likes to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned, so please take a quick look at our 6.2 liter V8 gasoline engine. This engine holds roughly around 331 horsepower, and it runs off of a 6-speed automatic transmission. And that will wrap it up for today's 2019 Ford E-350. This is going to be our 16-foot box truck with the ramp. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing and they usually answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website. That is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Don't forget to check out that small information snippet. I will be writing down some of the information that I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.